This 2022 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 40 feet 8 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Stanton interior, sleeps 10, microwave, spare tire kit, water heater, DVD player, air conditioning, skylight, self-contained, LP detector, oven, smoke detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is 13,820 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Avalanche 378BH. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.